Christmas, but I won't wait till next year to try.
Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be setting up my bullet journal for December, the last month of 2022. I can't believe this is the last plan with me that I'll be doing in this bullet journal. So yeah, I think that's it for now. If you guys want to check out all of my 2022 bullet journal videos, the link will be down in the description box. But of course, we're going to start off with the November flip through where I did an anatomy theme. So this watercolor and pen drawing is my cover page for this month. And then going on to the next page, here I have my calendar. So I made a bunch of these like bones and anatomy themed stickers that I used throughout the entire month. And they were great, so much fun. I just printed them out on some sticker paper. And then I used a lot of neutral colors like grays, tan, and black. And I had a lot of fun combining all these things, and also incorporated some scrapbook paper, washi tape, and kind of, you know, all of the typical things for my bullet journals.
I wanna make you, I wanna make you, I wanna make you feel something familiar. I celebrate you. God did his thing.
So as per usual, I like to make a super Christmassy themed December spread for the month, just because I like Christmas a lot. So I got these really cute little gift tags last year, and I've been saving them for this December. So I got them after Christmas, so they were super discounted, and I thought they would be perfect for bullet journaling. So I just picked out some of them that I liked from these packages. There were some that I didn't feel suited the theme that I was going for here. So I took out some light pink scrapbook paper and just measured that for the size of my bullet journal, and I wanted to do a collage for this front cover. So I am just playing around with the gift tags. As you can see, I have a pile of ribbon in the corner over there, just because that's what was at the top or the corner of these before. And I'm also using some little sparkly things from this scrapbooking bag of assorted gold items, and I'm using some of that ribbon to make little bows on there because I thought that'd be super cute, and then just gluing everything down once I liked the positioning of it all. And with a red Muji gel pen, I am just writing out December in cursive. Usually I do this at the bottom in the middle, but this is just changing it up to try to keep things new and interesting. So I glued that in, and this is the completed page. I love the colors, and I think it'll be so fun to use these cute little photos throughout the month of December. To make my monthly calendar, I began by taking some scrapbook paper kind of in my color scheme. So I'm beginning out with some light pink stuff, and I made this scalped edge on there. And then in the corner, I'm adding a Christmas tree gift tag and some gold washi tape. Unfortunately, my washi tape stock is really going down. I had a ton of gold stuff that I got like 3 years back, and it is unfortunately almost gone, so I'm gonna have to really restock that. But for my calendar, I'm using a red pen to draw it out. Sometimes it's fun to change things up from black, and I thought that black didn't entirely suit the very colorful, Christmassy, cheery kind of look that I was going for here. So I'm adding in some more gift tags, more washi tape, and I have a very tiny little expense tracker at the bottom. I think moving into 2023, I'm going to be removing the expense tracker from my bullet journal and moving it to an Excel sheet, because I find I am not really using it in my bullet journal as much as I want to, and I think Excel would just better suit my needs. But here are the Tombow brush markers that I'll be using for the month. So I'm going to write out December on the side. I began with this very light pink color, and you obviously cannot see it, so I went over it with a like nice red color, just so pretty, adding in some more touches. And then for all of the dates, I'm doing the very light pink as the background, and then I'm going to be going over that with a red pen to mark it all down.
Follow
And next up we have our first weekly spread of the month. So to begin with this one, I just kind of always go into it blind, and I like to start out by structuring my page with kind of the larger items that I want to incorporate. So in this case it is these gift tags, so I'm just cutting those out and figuring out which ones I want to use. I also got this really cool piece of scrapbook paper that matched my theme perfectly with these like imprinted swirls on there, which I thought were super cool to add some texture. So I'm just kind of cutting out a like squiggly shape out of it, folding that in half and gluing it into my bullet journal. So it's really fun to make things kind of go over the page and like the seam in the middle. So that's exactly what I'm doing with this paper. And then I'm adding in some of those gift tags on the side and washi tape to fill in the empty spaces.
Won't wait till next year to try.
So when I started cutting out this piece of light pink scrapbook paper, I honestly had no clue what I was doing, but oh, I don't even know where I put it. Oh, okay, so here it is. I made like rounded edges on it, but I didn't really know what it was going to be. So then I added some squiggles at the bottom to match the bottom part, and to be honest, it kind of just looks like some pink melting snow, I guess. So I'm adding that to the edges of some of the photos just to make it fun and whimsical, and it looks kind of quirky and Christmassy. Some washi tape went on top over here, and then for December I'm alternating between all of the colors of Tombow markers. It was kind of tricky because some of them are super light, as you can see, but if you do go over them for a second time, they do darken a little bit, and at the right angle you can see them. I just can't really find a way to make a super light color opaque enough, so that's kind of the best solution that I have. So I'm just confirming all of the dates for this week and writing that out with a red gel pen, adding this squiggly red line at the top and a blue one over here. And next I'm going to tie up some of those little bows from the leftover ribbon and gluing those onto the page. And now I am writing in all of the days of the week, so I also wanted to alternate the colors for this, just like the December title. So I'm writing that all in, and then adding a spot for the dates with a red pen. And this is how it turned out. I love the colors, like I've said so many times, but I think they're so cute and Christmassy, and the bows are such a nice little touch to the whole theme and the spread. So that's it for this December bullet journal setup. I have a whole lot of exams to get through before I can enjoy my Christmas holidays. So there isn't a lot of time to do a ton of bullet journaling right now, but get excited because I will be setting up my bullet journal for next year in late December. So that's always a lot of fun to do when I have some more time off from school. But if you guys bullet journal, let me know what theme you're doing for this month. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.